So the podium collection all started with vases I designed for the gallery Helmen-Knecht in Berlin 1.5 years ago in November. And the idea was to play with an object and its podium under, and to connect really both pieces, both parts together. So it all started in fact with these pieces there, these vases. And you can see that the object is really linked to the podium, to the pedestal, to give value to the piece. And here the podium is now functional because the flower goes to the bottom of the pedestal. And I really like the idea of playing with white cubes because it's the universal way to give value to the piece and to protect it. And this is the way museums and galleries used to present objects. And I wanted to really offer the possibility to the people to buy not only the piece but also the pedestal that goes with it. And then we decided to develop the collection and to design other pieces with other functions and other materials, following different techniques. And for example, we have here new pieces, like tables. This one is made of wood, the other one of copper. And it's always following the idea of turn pieces, which means that we're trying to get some revolved shapes and to play with levitation. So we can see on the cover piece there that the piece is really like floating on the pedestal. But they are really linked together, they are screwed together in order to be really attached. And then you can really buy here the piece, the table, and also the pedestal as well. Then it was more or less the same idea with the shelf. Also try to play with levitation and floating objects. And here each part of the shelf is really floating with each other. And here, for example, you can see the detail that each leg here is screwed to the tray and fix all the pieces all together. And here the pedestal makes the whole part, the whole piece stable and allows to make this shelf work and stand, in fact. And finally here for the lamp, I try to follow the same idea again, using the pedestals and make it functional because all the electric system is hidden inside the whole structure. And we also played with a vitrine, which is also one of the signs of objects, the symbol of protection and the way objects are protected in galleries and museums. And here it's all protecting a hand-blown glass, piece of glass, that is here like a big bulb. And there is a game of reflection between the bulb and the vitrine because the light reflects itself into the vitrine. And this is how we came up with this collection.